Oh my goodness, I have piles and piles of paper-related stash that I have put into kits. And I thought you might want to do something like this. How about making some kits to help you with the destashing process? Do this with your scrap leftovers and clear up some studio space. I think this is a fun way to declutter and so helpful for different projects. And you'll see some examples throughout this video. Kits can have many uses. These are great for groups and organizations. Once you have your little packages made up, they can be gifted or donated and even sold. As a for instance, when I'm ready to sell them, most of them will be sorted into $5 bags, along with a list of the contents. Price your bags accordingly. It's totally up to you. Of course, you decide what yours are worth and package them together in any way you like. You can use bags or boxes in different sizes. Now for these, I can add in some bead blanks and maybe mushrooms and little things like that for painting or decorating. These are a few that I've put together. So here we go. In the first bag we have mixed scraps that have been torn, tissue paper spheres, tissue paper sheets, miscellaneous forms, and some bamboo skewers. I'll be glad to get them all bagged up and put them up for grabs. In the second bag we have a tissue paper trio containing 3 different colors. Try different combinations. Something like a grab bag. And grab bags are so much fun to do, and you can mix random things together. Now my packages are only a few ounces. Most of these will weigh between 2 and 4 ounces, keeping them lightweight and affordable to ship in the United States or to another country. I hope that this video has given you a good idea of what you can do with your scraps. You can package them up, you can donate them, or you can sell them. It's all up to you. If you like this idea, please let me know in the comments. And I'd love to know if you've ever made kits from these types of paper scraps. So thank you, my friends, and I hope that you found this helpful. And I look forward to you joining me the next time. Oh, and don't forget to visit my playlists. Bye for now.